Hi there, everybody. How are you doing? Johnny Dago here for Limitless Personal Development. Ikaw ba'y isang speaker? Ikaw ba'y isang coach? Ikaw ba'y isang communicator? If you are, makinig ka sa akin dahil may sasabihin ako sa iyo. Sabi ni John Maxwell, there are coaches, there are speakers, communicators na minsan parang mga travel agents. You know, they would tell you about this beautiful place, and they would encourage you to go to this particular country, and naku, ang ganda-ganda dito, ang ganda-ganda dyan. But then if you ask them, have you been there? Have you experienced the place? Have you experienced the things that you're actually telling me? And many of them will actually say, well, no, not yet. And that is a problem. That is a big problem. Dahil, in my humble experience as a communicator, I've been speaking and into public speaking. Siguro nagsimula ako ng mga 17 years old, and I never stopped ever since. And in my humble opinion, hindi talaga dapat tayo nagve-venture sa mga topics o sa mga usapin na hindi nanggagaling sa puso natin. And it's really something that I strongly believe, and that I strongly hold on to, na merong mga topics na I don't talk about, or I don't really uh, hindi ko siya talaga tinatalakay dahil hindi siya unang-una, hindi ako komportable dun sa topic na yun, dahil for many reasons. Maybe I myself do not practice, or I'm not an expert in that area, or meron akong mga personal na point of view na perhaps hindi siya pwedeng sabihin, you should follow this because this is what I believe. And that's something that I really try not to impose on people when it comes to me trying to communicate. And there are people who are asking me, John, why don't you talk about this topic or that topic? Well, if I'm going to be honest with you, many times it's really dahil hindi ako either naniniwala dun sa topic na yon, na makakatulong siya dun sa mga kinakausap ko, or it's really something that I myself feel, hindi ko pa to hindi ko pa to expertise. So maybe it's not something that I really kumbaga parang hindi ko siya kayang talakayin ng nanggagaling sa puso ko. And that's very important for me. It needs to come from the heart, because people don't really care how much you know until they know how much you care. And that's very crucial for me, that whatever it is na kinukommunicate ko sa mga tao, gusto kong nanggagaling siya sa puso ko, out of care for people. It's not out of me trying to impress people, or trying to say, hey, alam ko tong bagay na to, and trying to expose to you my knowledge. Hindi. What I try to communicate, kahit na anong topic na nadidinig nyo sa akin, or nababasa nyo, I have to feel it inside me, na manggagaling sa puso ko. Kailangan malalim yung hugot. And I want to encourage you, if you are a speaker, if you're a communicator, you need to go deep inside, no? Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, ano ba yung hugot mo? And from there you communicate, because that's the most effective way for you to connect to people, because a lot of people communicate but very few connect.